TXC7016 conventional control panel. Supports up to 16 detection zones. Compatible with conventional detectors and manual call points. Monitors up to 32 devices per zone. 3 independent sounder outputs for clear alarms. Dedicated outputs for alarm, fault, and supervisory events. Continuous monitoring for open and short circuits. Key functions: test and disable modes. Programmable options for manual call point configuration, sounder operation, and output delays. Secure 3-level access control. Reset, silence, and evacuation. TUV and EN54 certified. Reliable dual battery backup for power loss. Engineered for performance and protection.